As Singapore's tighter restrictions on private properties and a lack of new launches have pushed down October home sales, units sold fell by half compared to September. This is also the first drop in 5 months. Well, market watchers expect sales to pick up before the end of the year.
The Garden Residences was the best-selling project in October, as buyers snapped up more than 50 new units there. It's part of the nearly 300 units sold in the suburbs. However, it's still about a quarter fewer homes sold compared to September. Experts say part of the reason is because of new curbs on the reissue of options to purchase. This is a 3-week period when a buyer pays the developer a fee and is granted the rights to buy the property for that period. Before the new rules kicked in, OTPs could be reissued multiple times.
Prior to the restrictions on the OTP, developers have the discretion and a bit of a flexibility to allow particularly HDB upgraders who needed more time to dispose their existing flat in order to plan their finances to fulfill their obligations. But with the restrictions and a clear directions from the controller of housings, developers are right now able to only issue OTPs where the clients already have their funds or ready to exercise the transactions in due time.
In other areas of Singapore, the drop in private home sales was even more drastic. In the city fringe area, it plummeted by around 2/3 compared to September, selling nearly 280 units. Overall, fewer than 650 new homes were sold last month. It's nearly a third lower compared to last October's 900 units. Analysts say property developers have also been holding back on launching new projects. But with 4 new launches scheduled in November and December, sales volumes are expected to pick up.
For November, actually the property market also, in a way, participate in the Singles Day, which falls on the 11th of November. So there were promotions that go up to, say, $500,000 for select units for a limited period of time. So these are actually pretty so-called attractive promotions that's going on, and there have been quite a fair bit of actually conversion to sales.
He expects about 800 units to be sold in November, and the total sales volume this year to reach about 9,500 units.